And we got a line right here, all for Yeezys. Yeezys for Foot Locker. Foot Locker does it more uniform, of course, but you know, it is what it is. You gotta wait in line for your shit. And then if you don't get your reserve pair by 3 o'clock, it's over with. So, I don't know. I got one over at the Beverly Center in LA, but I'm not too sure, man. I'm not too sure. What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco's back again with another sneaker review, man. I told you the content is gonna come back to back to back. Hopefully you guys are subscribed. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. If you are, smash the like button. We about to talk about something very new on my channel. You guys already know what it is by the title. My first pair of Adidas Yeezys. If you guys go back and check out some of my old collection videos, I used to have, I used to have the Nike Yeezys, the ones that glow in the dark, but I sold those a long time ago. Have not been able to get a pair of the Adidas Yeezys yet. Maybe, you know, I am one person that's happy to be able to have a pair of Yeezys, but that's also a result of them mass producing them, you know what I'm saying? So it kind of loses the mystique in a sense, but I'm still happy at the end of the day because they are my first pair. They might be dying out, resale, whatever, but it's my first pair of Adidas Yeezys. So I'm happy. I'm still debating though if I'm gonna keep them, but I just want to check them out, see what I want to think about them, see what you guys think about them. Did you guys go after them? I'm sure if you went after them, you definitely could have gotten them. A lot of places got double the amount of pairs they normally get. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. Let me know what you guys did. If you guys went after them or tried to get them and couldn't. I also have a size 9 available on Go and also on eBay, or just hit me up. We can do something through PayPal if you are interested. Without further ado, man, let's go ahead and check up. Alright, man, without further ado, let's go ahead and check out what's up in this box, you dig? I mean, you guys already know what it is. Yeezy V2 350 Boost, the butter colorway. Let's go ahead and check it out, you dig? I'm sure you guys have seen plenty of Yeezy reviews, Yeezy 350 reviews, so ain't nothing too special about the box. Same Yeezy branding on all the sides. You got 350 here. See what that is right there, size 13 for your boy. Let's go ahead and take these things out the box. My first time actually owning a pair of Yeezys, man, and you know what I'm saying? I'm happy. I'm excited if you cannot tell. You know what I'm saying? The colorway is cool. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and open up the box and pull them out. First look, because I did not look at them beforehand. These look dope. I mean, you know, they look cool. You know what I'm saying? You know, I mean, let me know what you guys think. You know what I'm saying? The box, typical box, ain't nothing too special. You know, I can't stop cheesing though because I actually do have a pair. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, man, there's more to come. Some shoes I tried to go after, I couldn't get them. A lot of the times that's what happened. You know what I'm saying? Or when I could get access to them, I didn't have the funds for it or something like that. So it's just crazy how that happened. You know, every time I was trying to get them, I couldn't. For whatever reason, man, but that's neither here nor there because they're here in front of you right now. And first impression to me, I mean, they seem really plain, but I like them. I like them because of the fact that they are Yeezy. You know what I'm saying? So for me personally, I mean, it's a W because I got my hands on a pair. Even though I've seen plenty of people walking out with multiple pairs because they had the bread to get it for one, and then for two, the Shoe Palace in Hollywood and Highland had so many pairs. They weren't, you know what I'm saying, they weren't tripping. So people would come in with 2 or 3 people and everybody leave out with 2 or 3 bags or anything. And then Foot Locker around the corner had a crazy line for them too. You know what I'm saying? They had a lot of pairs also. So, I mean, without further ado, man, you know, my personal thoughts on these shoes is, you know, it's a W. It's a win for me. I like the shoes. I don't like how bright, I mean, I like how bright it is. I don't know, it's not a white shoe, so it's, you know, and the cloth material, the knit on here, you know what I'm saying, you can kind of keep that clean, you know. I like the class, it's definitely a summertime colorway. I think it looks good, man, at a pool party or at a, you know, out and about. This is a nice tone colorway, man. The knit all upward. The only thing I don't like about it, or I could say I'm disappointed in the shoe, it don't have the supply here like most of them do and stuff like that, you know. But it's cool, you know. It got the kind of the buttery or the gummish bottom at the bottom, all Boost. That's what these things are made of, Boost. The one thing about the Kanye's, man. So I'm curious to see how these things feel on the feet because, you know, it's about that boost. I mean, the whole bottom is nothing but boost. And we're going to get some up close and personal highlights. I know you guys have probably seen 50 million reviews on these, and you've probably seen them in the stores over the weekend, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going to give it to you the way Bossco Mitchell does, and we're going to do it on feet because it's my size. I'm curious to see how it's going to fit, you know, because I hear that sometimes they go true to size, sometimes you got to go a size up because of the prime knit or whatever, so we're going to see. But nothing typical different from what the normally Yeezy has, but for me, it's all new. I like how they have the Yeezy, what is that, Adidas Yeezys on the insoles. This pull tab is pretty firm. I didn't know how flimsy or firm it is. It's pretty firm, man. You know, you got the whole boost bottom, which I've always wanted to like kind of push right here, because I used to always see people chest the boost out and pushing at the bottom. Like, oh, it does feel like boost, or it doesn't feel like boost. These are 110% authentic. Like I said, I got it from Flagship Shoe Palace in Hollywood and Highland. Great location. They get all the shoes, man. First come, first serve sometimes it's raffles. They do buy by the rules. They just get everything, man. So you got to make sure you guys get there bright and early if you guys want to try and get yourself prepared. If you guys do go to the Shoe Palace on Hollywood and Highland or that Foot Locker on Hollywood and Highland, let them know if you happen to buy something. Your boy Bossco Mitchell from YouTube sent you. You've seen something on the video that made you go there and check them out. Like I said, if you guys know, I live on the main street, so sometimes you guys will traffic. Sometimes you guys will hear traffic, just bear with me, don't mind that. I'm gonna fix that sooner than later. But back to these shoes, man, super fire in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? They're super fire, but I would give them a strong 8 out of 10. And you know what I'm saying? Maybe an 8 or 9 because it's my first pair, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. I'm happy, you know, it's a Yeezy. What can you say? You know what I'm saying? I've been grinding, flipping things, pushing things out. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. Let me know your true thoughts and opinions on these Yeezys right here. Without further ado, let's get to the highlights of these shoes and the on feet. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please watch it all the way through. Let the ads run. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. And check out everything. Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, the live streams. And I promise, from now on, I will start doing notification shout-outs for people who tell me they're a notification gang. They reply to all my videos quick, fast when I post them. You know, I'm starting to do live streams, so pay attention to all that stuff, man. Your boy Bossco Mitchell. Without further ado, let's get to the highlights or the up close and personals of these Yeezy V2 butters. You dig? Peace. What?